square root of a square plus b square is equal to square root of 41. How to get it? Okay, and I want to get a square root of is a mathematical symbol. We have to give a dollar symbol. We have to give a command sqrt. Already it came sqrt argument is my argument is a square. I want to give a square plus b square is equal to backslash sqrt. That is a command sqrt 41. We have to close it. We have to close with dollar symbol. Now you run this one. What will happen? You see this. Square root of a square plus b square is equal to root 41. Suppose if you save this one, I am copying this one, Control C, and we give it in between anything. In between is numerical. I am giving here Control V. Okay. See this one, beauty of this LaTeX document. So everything will be aligned very nicely and properly. It will be aligned properly. Okay. Square root of a square. If you take a LaTeX document, see this one. Okay. And also, so for example, here I have given a square. A square is equal to, suppose this is dollar symbol. In between, if you want to type any mathematical symbol, we have to take a dollar symbol. So a to the power of 12, I want to write a to the power of 12. If you give a to the power of 12, a to the power of 12, what will happen? So it is coming a to the power of 1, a to the power of 1, 2 became down, inline. Okay. So if it is more than one term here in the suffix, if it is more than one, you have to give in curly braces. Then only it will come. Yes, a to the power of 12. See this, a to the power of 12. Okay. Suppose if you want to write a to the power of x square plus 2x plus 3. And a to the power of that dollar symbol. A to the power of x cap 2 plus 2x plus 5. Okay. This is the way of taking suffix values in LaTeX. Okay. So if suffix contains more than one term, we have to take a flower brackets. We have to curly braces. In between curly braces, we have to give the entire term. Okay, that is the. Suppose I told about a square root. Am I correct? So I want to tell you. Suppose if it is square root, I am typing something. You see, sqrt of. Now I am going to tell some advantages of LaTeX. Sqrt of 1 plus sqrt of x. I'm coming outside again. X in between here only again backslash sqrt of x. This is first bracket is this bracket. Okay, one more bracket we have to give. Open braces 1, 2, 3 open braces. We have to give three close brackets. Okay. Dollar symbol. You see this one output. It will be like this. So actually, it is very difficult to bring this type of structure in ordinary word LaTeX, ordinary word document. We can bring, but the space will be the problem. So it will not align properly. Okay. Suppose if you take one more bracket here, square root of x plus, I am taking f plus sqrt, or otherwise sqrt of sqrt y square. Something error is there, some error is there, extra bracket is there, I think. Okay, so it is coming, it came like this. Okay, some error came. What is the bracket? How many open braces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One I open brace, extra braces. Okay, y square plus 1. You take y square, square root of y square is y square plus 2x. So everything will be aligned beautifully and get a nice output. These are some of the advantages of LaTeX. Okay. You see this one. Okay. Now, so at present I concentrated on suffix only. How to get how to give suffix x1 x suffix 1. So dollar symbol x underscore 1. Dollar symbol. See this one. It will come like this. X suffix 1. Okay, x suffix 1. If you and minimizing 100, I will keep 100. And suppose if you give the a underscore ij, a underscore ij, a underscore ij, so definitely I will use flower bracket, curly braces ij. Ij. Okay. Comma. For example, I'm typing a underscore x cap 2 plus 2x plus 5. I'm closing the dollar symbol. Okay, this is about giving square root. This is about square root, superfix, suffix, like this. Okay. Next thing. Now I want to give a by b. So a is there with me, b is there with me. A is equal to 4, b is equal to 5. I want to write a by b is equal to 4 by 5. A by b is equal to 4 by 5. So there is a, if you give like this, it will come. It's not a problem. If you give a by b is equal to 4 by 5. It will work. There is no wrong in this one. A by b is equal to 4 by 5. But I want to write like this. Okay, this okay. A by b is equal to 4 by 5. So, but I want to write like this. I want to get an output like A by B, exact like this. A by B is equal to 4 by 5. I have to get like this. have to get like this output. For that, we have to give one command that is called defrag. Defrag command or frag command. There are two commands are there. Here is there. So square root of y also we can use like this, superfix, suffix. Okay, subscript to superscript or superfix, suffix. You can use like this. Suppose if you take a defrag command, it will come like this. Defrag. We have to use in between. This is a dollar symbol. We have to give dollar symbol. We have to give dollar symbol in between. Okay, numerator is a for me. Denominator is b. Denominator is b. Denominator is b is equal to again defrag. Am I correct? 4 by 5. I have to write like this. Defrag. That is numerator is 4. Denominator is 5. But we won't get the desired output again. I am running this one. I got AB is equal to 4 by 45. AB is equal to 45. Because if you want to use any advanced mathematical symbol, we have to use one package, that is use package, AMS math. These are the disadvantages of LaTeX. You have to use some packages. That is, first package is use package. Use package. Use package, it will come. Use package. The package name is AMS math. AMS math. Already it came here. This is the AMS math pack. If you use this package, we can use we can type all mathematical symbols, integral symbols, differential symbols, all symbols, all mathematical symbols we can insert. I'm running this document now. You see the output. We see this. A by B is equal to 4 by 2. A by B is equal to 4 by 2. So what is the difference between there is another, and once again I'm running. Okay. Okay. What is the difference between this one and this one? There are two brackets, two fractions are there. If you take this one, ordinary frag, what is the difference between these two? I'm taking dollar symbol between these two, dollar symbol. Defrag and frag. I'm telling the difference between defrag and frag. X by y. X by y. To run this program, what will happen? So this is, we'll get a small fraction, x by y. Frag, ordinary frag will get a small fraction. Defrag will get a big fraction. Okay. If you copy this defrag here, Control C, I'm copying here. Here, in between these two, and Control V. Control V. I'm running this one. You see this one. Automatically, space will be adjusted. There is no, you see the difference? The space is not disturbed. Am I correct or not? The space between two lines is same. Am I correct or not? If you want to write, for example, A is equal to, I'm typing A is equal to X is equal to Y, X by Y. You see this one. Space was not disturbed. I make a line space in between line space. A is equal to X by Y. Suppose if I want to give space here. Okay. I want to give space. Okay. A is equal to X by Y. Where came up? Michael came up. What happened? I accept. Okay, whatever. Okay, automatically place will be. Okay, that is the difference between defrag and frag. Suppose if you give a defrag here, if you give the defrag, if you want Control C, I'm copying here. I'm typing in the running matter. Here, technical computing. Control V. Here space will be disturbed. Here you see this space between the lines. Okay, one extra space is occupied here. Am I correct? This solving this, you see this space between this line and these two lines. And if you want to get running, if you don't want any space, you take frac only, ordinary frac. If you remove the frac, if you remove the d here, if you remove the d here, if you run, a by b is equal to 4 by 5. Okay, that is the difference between t frac and frac. Okay. So that we can easily identify, control B. You can easily identify the difference between these two. Okay. So, and one more thing is, I'm taking one these two. So numerator, you see this one, x square, numerator, x square plus frac a by b, a by b, a by b, this denominator is y. For example, on this one, but how it will come like. Okay. So if you want to type any complicated expressions like this in the numerator, for example, one more thing I want to type. Say again, say sqrt of some sqrt of some. I'm not considering any differentials and all that. We express one. Automatically, space will be adjusted. Numerator and denominator. Suppose 1 by x I want to give here. Instead of 1, I want to give 1 by x. Frac 1 by x. Run this one. This is this. So if you want to type complicated mathematical expressions, LaTeX will be very useful. LaTeX will be very useful. Not only this one. So we see so many things. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to type. This is about the defrag. Now there are Greek letters are there. Okay, I want to type Greek. I have to get how to type. This is very advantage. This is one of the advantages. So x is equal to alpha. I want to type alpha, beta, gamma like this. A L P H. Just we type A L P H. X is equal to alpha. X is equal to alpha. X is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. X is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. So for example, alpha square, I want to type alpha square plus beta plus gamma cube. Alpha square plus beta plus gamma cube. Okay. So there are so many, actually alpha, beta, gamma are Greek letters, Greek alphabets, like A, I, E, like this. I hope you know this. I don't want to tell this thing, but so Greek alphabets. So Greek alphabets. So these are, if you see the Greek, any literature of Greek literature. So A is nothing but alpha. So this is A alpha, B beta, gamma, I like this images. I will check. Very interesting thing this one. A alpha means A, beta means B, gamma means this one. Delta and gamma means no, not this one. Another alphabet I want to see. Okay, this one. Alpha, beta. No, no, I want to show one thing. Okay, this one. A for alpha, beta, B for gamma. This is gamma, delta, H for eta. If you want to use eta, they will use eta. H in the place of H, they will use eta. Mu, N, O, pi. This pi symbol is pi. P, rho. Rho is for P in Greek. Like this. Very interesting. Suppose if you want to get a pi symbol, suppose a pi symbol, you have to give backslash P plus backslash PA. Pi. Okay. Delta. Delta. DLTA. Delta. Small delta will get it. Small delta. If you want to get a capital delta. D. DLTA. Delta. This is the capital delta. Okay. So like this, we can easily get all Greek letters. Okay. This is about Greek letters. Greek letters. Next, I'm going to some advanced mathematical symbols. Like suppose I want to type like this. Limit x tends to infinity, x tends to a, for example, x tends to a, f of x is equal to f. I want to type like this. I want to insert these symbols. F of x is equal to f. This not only limit. Suppose maximum, max of. Most of the time we'll type like this. Max x belongs to. How to bring belongs to. How to bring this arrow symbol x. How to bring x belongs to alpha beta. Alpha beta f of x value. What is the maximum of x if x belongs to closed interval of alpha beta? That is the meaning that I want to bring. How to bring this belongs to symbol? How to bring this belongs to symbol? How to bring this below this max? How to bring this x tends to a below to limit? These are the things I would like to type. Okay, next. Not only things, so many things are there, no? The alpha, beta, gamma. Suppose mu is there, no? Nu, I think so. Nu. Ne means and nu is there. And not mu. I forget. Mu. I'm sorry. Mu. No, sorry. This is mu. Okay. Like this, we can mu, delta, gamma. So many symbols are there. No? Only thing is, I will forward some. I will forward my document, MATLAB LaTeX symbols document. Evening night I will forward that. Okay, now I want to bring limit symbol. How to bring this limit symbol? Limit. The symbol is \lim. Limit. Limit underscore. Down it should come, underscore. X \2 is for tends to. Tends to symbol will come. 2. This symbol will come. If you give TO2, this symbol will come. Okay. X tends to A. Of x is equal to of x is equal to L. That's why I told it is difficult to learn LaTeX. So you have to remember some commands, one by one commands. So many. You see this. Limit extends to f of x is equal to L. But this extends to a came here. I want to write this extends to a below this limit. How to do this one? There is another command for that one. So I will tell you this. This is one command. That's the same thing. Sorry. Okay. Here, instead of this one, if you give a command like this, same command I am typing with a slight difference. Limit backslash limits limits backslash limits. Yes, correct. limits underscore extends to a x backslash through a f of x is equal to f of x is equal to L. So only the thing is I have given extra command backslash limits. You see, run this program. What will happen? That is the difference. So what if you copy this one? I copy this one here. I will copy this command. Control C. I will type in. What is the advantage of this command? I want to type it. I want to copy it. Control V. So we run this program. We run this document. You see that. Okay, see this. So there is no space is not created here. There is no line. Space is not disturbed. Am I correct? Limit extends to f of x is equal to L. Suppose if you give this command, I'm copying this one. Control C. Below the next line I'm giving here. Control V. We run this. You see this. One extra space is occupied. Am I correct? Okay. So here I want to write some running matter. The limit of the function f of x as x approaches to a is L and it is a discontinuous for something I made, and it is discontinuous at x is equal to a, for example. So this is the running matter, which is L, and it is denoted by if the limit of the function and it is denoted by something I'm writing denoted by Control C, Control V. If the limit of the function, f of x, as x approaches to x is L, then it is denoted by you run this. What will happen? The limit of the function. So it is not mathematical. F of x is not a mathematics. X is not in mathematical format. X is equal to 1 by 1 and given dollar symbols. Here, dollar symbol. X is dollar symbol. It's also not a dollar symbol. So just to dollar symbol, dollar symbol. L is also going to be dollar symbol, dollar symbol. X is equal to A. Now we run this. Now we see the beauty of this. And it is disconnected. Something I want to listen. Suppose if you give another limit here, limit extends to A, backslash limit, limits, okay, limits, you run this. It will come like this. And one more thing I forgot. Suppose limit extends to infinity, tends to infinity. How to get infinity symbol? X tends to infinity. For example, I have given A, INFTY, IN backslash INF, INFTY, infinity. This is the infinity symbol. Okay, infinity symbol. If you want to get an infinity symbol, we have to do INFTY, backslash infinity. Okay. Suppose I want to get a symbol like this. F dash x is equal to F dash x is equal to F dash A. F dash x, I declare that. Limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h minus f of x by h. I want to type like this symbol. F dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. How to type this one? How to get this type of the derivative of a function at x, the derivative. Anybody tell me the derivative of f of x. Tell me how to anybody of x defined as like something. Okay. Tell me how to type this one. Anybody? How to get this symbol? How to get this type of f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Tell me the commands to get the type of symbol. Anybody? 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 I told I spent around more than 1 hour, less than 1 hour, 40 minutes. I explained 40 minutes continuously. Anybody? How to bring f dash x first? Okay, f cap 1. F cap means f dash I have to bring. 1 means f to the power of 1 will come. How to bring f dash x? I need like this. F dash of x. We use f dash x, add f power 1, not 1 like this. Slash. Okay, whatever it may be, I will type. And dollar symbol in between, where do you type in dollar symbol? Okay. F. How to bring this f dash? Anybody? F cap. There is a dash symbol, in this left side, this dash symbol. F dash x f dash x is equal to backslash limit lim limit h tends to 0. Am I correct or not? Underscore h tends to, how to write h tends to h to 0, h tends to 0. Next, defrag. Am I correct or not? F of x plus h minus f of x by h. I have to get this one. I typed up to this one. F dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0. Up to this I typed. F dash x I typed is equal to limit h tends to 0. I typed h tends to 0. F of x plus h minus f of x by h. So we have to take defrag. Okay. F dash x is equal to limit backslash limit h tends to 0. Defrag f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So I want to modify again. I will do some modifications here. You see this. The derivative of f of x is defined as f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus minus f of x by h. So again I want to make, so I want to bring it as a middle. I want to bring it as a middle. If you do double dollar symbol, the entire equation will come into center. You see this. The derivative of x is defined as f dash x limit h tends to 0. If you give double dollar symbol, that is a I didn't use backslash limits. Am I correct or not? Did you understand this point? If you give double dollar symbol, automatically it will come to down. Limit h tends to 0. There is no need to use here this symbol backslash limits. And also here also there is no need to give backslashes. This extra space can, you see this one. It can be wrong. Whatever. Error is coming. Oh, sorry. So one more thing is we should not open this document. We have to close this one. We should not open that PDF. We have to close. No. Now you see this. Okay. This is defined as one second. I'm going to enter this. Okay. There is no need to give double backslash. Automatically it takes space and it will come like this. It will be centered. That is the advantage of double dollar. If you remove the single, if you write a single dollar, if you take a single dollar, the entire thing will come on the defined as, it will come here. You see this one. Defined as like this, it came. And also limit h tends to 0. It came down. It will not, it didn't, it is on the inline. Am I correct on that? H tends to 0. So if you give double dollar here, if you give backslash, it will come to second line, next line. They say inline. If you want to bring that one, you have to give, if you want to bring down, limits, LIMTS. You run this. It came down. Okay. Suppose if you want to bring it as a next center of the paper, you have to give double dollar. In that case, there is no need to give this limit symbol. This we can remove. So it will not give any impact. Okay. Nothing is said. Okay. Like this. Okay. So dy by dx is nothing will be. So how to bring a partial derivatives? Dou f by dou x like this symbols. How to bring dou f by dou x? Dy by dx is common. Nothing is there. Y is equal to y is equal to, for example, y is equal to dy by dx is equal to something I want to type dy by dx. Dy dx. Why? Because already it will come dy by dx is equal to x plus 1. For example, x plus 1. That's simple. Automatically it will come dy by dx is equal to x plus 1. Okay. Suppose if you want to bring as a, I want to bring it as a partial derivative. Partial derivative. So dfrac partial. Here what I have to type is dfrac is common. Partial f. We have to backslash partial here, here. Partial is there. Partial dou f by dou x. For example, I want to type dou f by dou x. Dou x with backslash partial dou f by dou x is equal to x plus 1. For example, see this one. This is dou f by dou x. Dou f by dou x. So if you want to bring to partial derivative, backslash partial, you have to do backslash partial. Dou square f by dou x square. For example, same thing. I'm copying it. I think Control C. So, one second. One second. Oh. Okay. Partial dou square f by dou x. Dou square f by. So Control V. Partial dou square f by dou x dou y. Dou square f by dou x square. For example, first we do this like this. Dou x square. Right? Like this. Square, no? Dou square. I forget to take two. Dou square f by dou x dou y. Dou square f by dou x dou y. Suppose if you give double dollar, dou square f by dou x dou y. Double dollar. Dou square f by dou x square. Dou x dou y. I want to get dou x dou y. Backslash partial y. Partial dou square f by dou x dou y. Dou square f by dou x dou y. Okay, like this we have to type partial derivatives limit. Everything. Tomorrow I will start. Okay. Tomorrow I will continue this topic.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay. Tell me.
Sir, if I want dou f by dou x whole square.
You will cap, you give bracket and do what you want? Tell me.
Dou f by dou x whole square.
By dou x whole square. Okay. I'm typing dollar symbol. Defrag. First we will take defrag. Numeratrix. Dou f. Okay. Partial. Partial. Here.
F.
Dou f by dou x. Okay.
Partial x.
Partial x. This is about I got dou f by dou x.
Yes.
Next thing is how to get. She asked how to get whole square. Okay, I want to get whole square. Suppose will I get if I give like this? I'm telling options. No? If you give bracket here. Okay. So I won't get in a proper manner. I will give another command to get that whole square. Suppose if you give like this. So I'm not getting in. I want to get like this. Your idea is you have to get like this. Am I?
Yes.
Dou f by dou x. Usually these are the things we have to concentrate definitely. Dou f by dou x. You want to get like this. Am I correct?
Yeah. Two
Whole square.
on the top. Yes.
So, but I got like this. It is
Yes.
not good. So, what we have to do now for this one? There are commands. There are some commands left left of open bracket. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. There is a command right closed bracket. Okay. Cap 2. We try this one. Try like that.
Okay. The brackets, bigger brackets will get.
I will get it. So I will tell all the things tomorrow.
Okay.
So
Okay,
these
sir.
things, if you ask anything, I can do. So LaTeX is a version. LaTeX is a version. If you ask any question, I can tell. If I tell, if I know, I will tell. Otherwise, I will refer to the big issue.
Okay.
I'm not an expert in MATLAB. I'm an expert in LaTeX also. I know something. Okay. Anything? Anybody? Okay. Shall I close? Stop like hard.